Here, guys. Let's go upgrade Triassical and wait. Was there like supposed to be a T-Rex there? There's supposed to be like 2 T-Rexes there. Where are the T-Rexes? What's going on? What the? There was supposed to be a T-Rex there. Where's the T-Rex? Where's the T-Rex? Wait, I need to search something else. If that didn't work, I know what would work. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. New text? And why is this so small? The same lines, but literally. And this is why I'm gonna cry for 9 years straight, and how Chicken Gun ruined itself. Now, can you tell a difference? Do you see Chicken Gun in this?